this side Devanshi and I'm a BLEB 4th year student, and today we are going to discuss about Contract Act only. So basically we will discuss about some important definitions of Contract Act, that is offer, that defines under section 2A. An offer refers to a promise that is dependent on a certain act, promise or forbearance given in exchange for the initial promise. Now moving toward next definition, that is acceptance, section 2B. When the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto, the proposal is said to be accepted. Third one is promise, section 2B. A proposal when accepted becomes a promise. In simple word, when an offer is accepted it becomes promise. जब एक ऑफर एक्सेप्ट हो जाता है तो वो प्रॉमिस बन जाता है. And now section 2C, that is promisor and promisee. When the proposal is accepted, the person making the proposal is called as promisor. जब proposal accept हो जाता है तो person जो कि proposal बनाता है वो promisor कहलाता है, और जो person जिसे accept करता है वो promisee कहलाता है. Moving toward next, that is consideration, section 2D. जब when at the desire of the promisor के desire पर the promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing or does or abstains from doing or promises to do or to abstain from doing something, such act or abstains or promise is called a consideration for the promise. Price paid by one party for the promise of the other, technical word meaning quid pro quo. Agreement, section 2E. Every promise and every set of promise forming the consideration for each other, in short, is called agreement. So that's it for this video. We will discuss some more important points of Indian Contract Act. Till then, take care.